In this episode of the 5 Best Pro Wheel cover the top 5 best grill mats for barbecue, that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Nonstick Grill Mat. If stress-free grilling is what you are looking for, then this mat will be perfect. Known for being fully nonstick, it will ensure no food sticks, and this makes cleaning easy. It also can tolerate high temperatures. The plastic-looking mat provides good surface and is easy to wipe or clean. The mat can be reused and will serve you for a long time. You also shouldn't worry about harmful compounds since it doesn't contain any PFOA, phthalate, silicone, and is FDA approved. They are totally washable and reusable. Almost like a thin, flexible pan, they are made from fiberglass fabric coated PTFE Teflon, similar to what is used for non-stick pots and pans. This means that you can cook without oils, and cleaning up is simple because everything will slide right off. For larger grills you can use multiple mats, side by side, and for larger meals, you can even flip one over to keep on cooking with the clean side up to preserve flavors. These barbecue mats are also perfect for baking. Can be cut to fit your toaster oven, pans and cookie tins for cooking, roasting, baking and frying. At number 4. Gold Grill Mat. Grilling will no longer be a messy affair when you are using these mats. They are designed for grilling vegetables, meats, pastry, and other foods. Thanks to the decent size, it can accommodate a good food volume, and this shortens the time and effort used. The excellent heat distribution and the weight are also perfect. The mats are easy to handle and can withstand being used regularly and won't rip or fray. And similar to other best grill mats, they inhibit food from sticking, and this makes cleaning easy. Our Miracle Barbecue Grill Mats are extremely easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Don't waste any more time scraping the crud off your grill, get back to enjoying the barbecue with your friends and family. For easy grilling, the grill mat will definitely facilitate a stress-free and easy grilling. This is due to their non-stick feature and their superior construction. At number 3. Latest Barbecue Grill Mats. Why barbecue on a dirty or greasy grill when you have Chef Remy mats? Made from a quality and heat-resistant material, the mats will deliver professional results without dirtifying the food items. The moderately thin nature is perfect for heat conduction and distribution. It is flexible and lays flat on the cooking surface, maintaining good contact for faster and effective grilling. This also helps to lock in the flavors and aromas. Like other top grill, barbecue mats, it comes with a non-stick surface and is also lightweight. Whether your use are great covers on gas, charcoal, electric, propane, natural gas grills, smokers or even open fire pits, our award-winning barbecue mats will clean up instantly. Completely dishwasher safe, simply allow the grill mat to cool, wipe over with a damp cloth and lay flat on the top rack of your dishwasher. At number 2. Easy Cleaning Grill Mat. Grilling steak, chicken meat, pork, kebabs, veggies, and other foods like a professional is what this mat does. It can be used with most heat sources including briquettes, charcoal, electric, gas, and Panda propane. The thin nature maintains direct contact with the grates allowing heat to penetrate better. It also doesn't leave marks that would spoil the appearance. The mat is one of the easiest to clean and can be washed by hand or using a dishwasher. Best value in barbecue grill accessories. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right or your money back. Why wait? Try yours risk-free. Warning, do not let grease accumulate due to risk of grease fire. If you have any question about it, just tell us and we will provide you a satisfied solution. Finally at number 1. Heavy Duty Barbecue Grill Mat. Did you know that you lose lots of food simply because it passes through the grates? Also, are you aware that many people don't like the grate marks on their food? Well, with this one, you will no longer worry about the marks, or food passing through the grates. It comes with an effective surface and design for easy heat penetration and also helps to lock in the aroma and flavor. It can fit on most heat sources, lays flat and doesn't require any grease or oil. Our premium grill mats can withstand higher temperatures than other grill mats on the market, providing you with more options in your premium grilling experience. No matter the cook, Kona grill mats are built tough enough to deliver flawless results every time. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.